channel and press the bell icon and never miss
अगर कहीं मेरा चेहरा यूं होता तो
मैं तुम्हें इस तरह देखती।
अपनी नाक तो ठीक तरह देख नहीं पा रही हो, मुझे कैसे देख सकती?
तुम्हें देखने के लिए मुझे इन आँखों की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं तो तुम्हें बंद आँखों से भी देख सकती हूँ।
इतना प्यार करती है मुझे।
Losing track of how many days we've been locked down, but we are managing first by taping these spectacles. But now I'm at literally breaking point because this wonderful slipper that I was wearing to match this particular shoe has now broken and we're trying to glue it together. Unfortunately, it's not working. By the end of this, I don't know what I'll have left. God bless you all as well.
Okay, here's a little something of what's in my dabba, and since I've turned vegan, so my options have to be very specific. So I've really managed to find some really healthy options in my vegan meal. I'm going to share that with you, and I hope you like it.
Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to go there. Come on, one more. 1, 2. Hey!
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and staying home. So in the last few days, me and Izzy have been doing some reading, we've been doing some online courses, we've been doing a lot of housework. We've also been watching TV shows and movies. And if you are looking for something good to watch, Disney Plus Hotstar Red Carpet Premiere is going to be showcasing one of my all-time favorite films, The Lion King and The Mandalorian, April 2nd at 6 p.m. Also, I'm going to be joining live on the Disney Plus Hotstar app Thursday at 6 p.m. Hopefully I'll see you there. Stay safe everyone and stay home.
Oh, almost. तो एक मेरी मामी है, जब से उसका नाम इंग्लिश में पढ़ा, नाम हिंदी का था, उसने अपना नाम इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। उसके दिमाग खराब हो गए और उसके प्राइस बढ़ गए। मैं आपको मेरी मामी से मिलाना चाहता हूं, एडा मामी। इसका नाम वापस से हिंदी में लेके आओ।
I'll bake you a cake. Give you a barter exchange deal. Barter exchange. There's no money. Exchange for something that you are doing for me.
here. So
You're giving me a massage, I'll give you a cake.
yeah, and it has to be 2-layer cake.
Okay, 2 layer.
And you're adding yellow color in that cake because that's the only color I have. Okay.
Press here a little harder, please. Ah.
Right? I'm using my elbow. That's why.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, I split my hair.
People are always asking me, Gloria, when will you make baby? When will I make baby? I don't make baby. I am baby.
Almost halfway there. I just have to make sure that I get this atta right. Check it for consistency and taste. Okay. See you soon. Okay, like promised, my besan ladus are ready. I've got the perfect ladu shape and I'm really impressed because this is the first time I'm attempting at making and
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
This is what quarantine does to you. You allow things like this to happen. Getting your haircut with kitchen scissors. This, can you see this gradual fade? Nice.
it's a new look I've created.
Yeah. बहुत बढ़िया ये देखो. Beautiful haircut by my wife. She's continuing her great work. As you can see.
Can you please sing one more song tomorrow
Love you, bye.
and not look so shocked?
Bad shot.
Bacha,
Such a bad shot.
we're getting a shout out to watch our song tomorrow. It's a boy, Bacha. It's a boy, Bacha. Again, it's called Genda Fool.
गेंदा फूल
Genda Fool.
गेंदा फूल भाई because there's the shout out.
What's up, guys? Happy quarantine. I thought I'm gonna try my hand in making some butter garlic prawns. I know, not so healthy, but I'll work it out, man. I have all the time in the world. Whoa. got all my ingredients here, but it's a bit soupy. But I'm okay as long as it tastes good, and good thing is I can't taste this. But this is my first time there, so at least some snack here. And it smells really good. Okay, I've always seen chefs do this on the outside. So much of a look, but